This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and PC for tethering. Plug a good USB cable between devices, unlock the phone, and accept any USB data prompts. Once done, open your phone settings and enable USB tethering or USB Internet under Network or Hotspot. This initiates the interface. On many phones, tethering shares the cellular radio with the PC so you get internet immediately. Make sure mobile data is on, because tethering routes the PC through your phone's carrier link. Next, you switch to the PC to finalize the link. Open Network Connections or Settings Network and look for a new USB or RRendis adapter. If Windows flags drivers, install the phone or RRendis driver. On Mac OS, you may see a new interface without extra software. Once detected, make sure the adapter uses DHCP so it gets an IP and DNS from the phone. Alternatively, assign a static address in the same subnet if your setup requires it. This ensures proper routing and name resolution for apps and browsers. Finally, confirm the connection and tidy up settings. Open a browser or ping 8 to verify packets flow and check adapter status shows sent/received bytes. If routing looks wrong, disable Wi-Fi temporarily so the PC uses the USB link and adjust metric or default gateway if needed. Once satisfied, you can leave tethering active. Make sure to monitor carrier data and battery. Troubleshooting tip: if you lose connectivity, toggle USB tethering off and on, reconnect the cable, and reboot the phone. This resolves most driver or negotiation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.